Hello viewers, this is Veronique Malka of the Canadian Law Group at NPZ. Thanks for joining us again today. I'm here today to talk to you about the Visa Process Center in New York. As some of you may know, we have an office located in New York City. I'm there quite often, as well as in New Jersey. So I had the pleasure in July of being the first lawyer to attend the new Visa Application Center in New York City. It's called the VAC, VAC. For those of you who need to file a work permit, who need to file a visa to travel to Canada, you now need to go through the VAC. Don't even try to send your application to the embassy, the consulate on Avenue of the Americas. They will return it to you. They will say, go through the VAC. Why was the VAC created? The VAC was created to assist the consulate in processing incoming files. What does that mean? It means that, and this I heard in a prior conference by CIC, approximately 85% of applications that are filed are incomplete. That's a very high number. That means that the enclosures are not proper. The proper documents were not put in the application. The signatures were not done properly. The dates were not completed properly, and so on. A lot of formalities are involved when you're completing such applications for work permits or visas, temporary resident visas. So if you apply, imagine all these applications going through the consulate, and 85% of them have to be processed and then returned out. That's an enormous amount of paperwork. My understanding is that the VAC was created to assist with that part, where there are employees there who will look at the completeness of the file, and if it is complete, they will send it on to the consulate for processing. Why I wanted to do this video was because I attended in person to file an application at the Visa Application Center. I wanted to see what was going on the ground. I was very disturbed to see the lack of organization at the VAC. The wait times, I mean, with the first lineup started in the lobby. We didn't even get to go upstairs to take a number. I mean, there was already a stop at the lobby. Then you have to be escorted to the second floor, where you're then given a number, and then you can hope to wait in line. Thankfully, I didn't have to wait in line. I humbly raised my hand and indicated that I was a lawyer. But I have to say, I met lots of lovely people who had been there several hours waiting. The air was very stuffy. It is a very small office. There is a receptionist at the front who does not even belong to the VAC, who doesn't know what's going on. And she tells us that the VAC is renting space from the other office. Anyways, it's a bit of a mess. Having said that, the people working at VAC were wonderful, sweet, easygoing, helpful people. They themselves, trying to do the best they can with the setting and the way that things are organized over there. I did leave there with the impression that this is going to not necessarily speed things up, but unfortunately we are subject to this process, and we do have to submit. VAC does accept FedEx. I recommend that people send it by FedEx if they can. If there's something incomplete, you will get a FedEx back or a letter back or a package back from the VAC within a couple of days. It may save you the 2 or 3 hour or more wait time once you're over there. You're really, in my opinion, not going to achieve a whole lot by going yourself. So good luck with your filings. Of course, remember that here at NPZ Law Group, we are here to help you file. I can't tell you I'll go there again in person, but I'll do my best to make sure it gets there in a complete fashion. Join us again. Veronique Malka, signing off.